Hey everyone, my name is Lacey and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be using makeup sponges to make squishies. We have done this in the past, so if you have not seen that video, I will put it in the iCards above. And we are doing something a little bit different. We're not using the makeup wedges, but we are actually using the round makeup sponges like this. And I am super excited because there are some different squishies that we can make, like cookies, ice cream sandwiches, moon pies, things like that. And I'm going to be making them into keychains, so I am super excited. And as always, if you like my video, please like and subscribe. Also, just a little throw out there is if you haven't seen my giveaway video, please check it out. When we hit 100 subscribers, then I will be giving this giveaway. I'm going to put in the iCards above, and let's just get right into this craft. So let's get started. So I bought these makeup sponges at the Pharmaprix, which is just a pharmacy here in Quebec, and I bought them for $5 Canadian, which is about a little less than $4 USA dollars, and I got 12 in the pack. The company is called Quo or QUO. I don't know if that's exactly how it's pronounced. I wanted to make it look a little bit like one of the squishies that Moriah Elizabeth did, so I started getting out some colors. I decided to use brown and white and a little bit of yellow, but eventually I realized I had to add a little orange as well to make a light tan color. So I read online different ways to attach the sponges together, so I ended up going with a way where they use paint between the layers to have it stick together. The first time I tried it, I did a very thin layer. I soon found out I had to use a lot more thicker layer. It did work, and it didn't stick perfectly because the edges peeled up a little bit, but once you do the outside layer of the squishies, you have to do multiple layers, and it kind of makes a skin so that protects the squishies from falling apart. If you do want it to stick more, like maybe you're afraid of it coming apart while you're painting it, I did try hot glue and Mod Podge as well, but it did make it a little bit harder, like between the layers, and you can feel that when you squish it. I really do just recommend trying to put paint between the layers and see how you like it. Here I'm putting the layers together and I kind of squish it down with my hand, but I actually found that it helped me a lot more to just put all the layers on and then just put something heavy on top of it like a book. So I forgot to record the very first part, but here I am putting the paint on it, and I used the side of my brush to kind of make it more smooth. I didn't want it to be very textured like icing, but more smooth like an ice cream cookie. Afterward, I used the brown to make chocolate chips, but I did do many layers on both sides of the tan, and I let them completely dry before I did the chocolate chips. So here's what it looked like when all the chocolate chips were finished and dried, and then I used the white to make a filling in between, and I did make this look textured because I wanted it to look like ice cream. So I used the white to make a good thick layer, and then I used the tip to just kind of swirl it around so it gave it a more textured look. Now we will wait for the middle to dry, and then we will come back and see our final product. Hey everyone, thanks for making it to the end of my video. I had a lot of fun making this with you guys, and I hope that you guys had fun watching it. And as always, if you make this product, please share it with me, or if you have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, I would love to hear them below the video. So yeah, I just want to show you guys the final product. So here it is. I think it came out super cute. It's not really slow rising, but it feels really nice. I did put a little eye pin in there so we can make it into a keychain. It just feels nice. So I did make a variation. I didn't have time to make a lot of variations, unfortunately, because it does take a lot of time for these to dry. But here it is. It's got sprinkles on the side. I tried to do like a powdered sugar on top. It didn't come out as as great as I had hoped. It's a little bit slow rising, so let me try to do that with the other one. Yeah, okay, so that's a little bit better. I haven't put an eye pin in it yet, but I do like how it turned out. And I don't think I mentioned this at the beginning of the video, but I did get these ideas from Moriah Elizabeth, who is a popular YouTuber who does squishies on YouTube. And yeah, so I will put her link down below, just the link that I saw these, and you guys can check her out if you would like to. I'm sure that if you're watching this video that you've probably already seen her videos. I also just wanted to state that I did find out that if you put these in front of the fan, they dry like way faster. I don't know why I didn't think of that before. I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you, as always, if you like my video, please like and subscribe. And I'm going to see you guys next time. Bye.